Let's see how to find the number of electrons, protons, and neutrons in an atom. We will look at both neutral atoms and charged atoms. To find the number of protons, look at the periodic table of the element, and whatever the atomic number of the element is, the number of protons is the same number. Number of electrons would be the same as the number of protons for a neutral atom, and the number of neutrons would be atomic mass minus the atomic number of the atom. You will get the atomic mass and the atomic number from the periodic table. Let's see an example. We have lithium. The atomic number is 3. I will write it here. The atomic mass of lithium is 7. I will write it here on top. Now, look at the formula. The number of protons is same as the atomic number, which is 3. So for lithium, the number of protons is 3. The number of electron is same as the number of protons, so 3. And this is because the atom is neutral. Look at lithium. As of now, there is no charge on it. If there was a plus, then we will do a different calculation. But in this case, there is no charge. So the number of electrons would be same as the number of protons. It's because protons, as we know, has a positive charge. Electrons, they have a negative charge. When you have one proton and one electron, overall 1 plus and 1 minus makes a 0. So the charge is neutral. If you compare the number of electrons and protons, since they are both 3 and 3, so we have 3 plus and 3 minus, add them together, the total charge would become 0. So lithium here is neutral. The summary is, for a neutral atom, the number of protons and electrons would be the same. Now, the number of neutrons is atomic mass minus the atomic number. Atomic mass is 7 and atomic number is 3. So the number of neutrons is 4. Let's see one more example. We can look at sodium. The atomic number is 11. The atomic mass is 23. Number of protons is same as atomic number, so 11. Number of electron would be same as the number of protons, so 11 as well, because there is no charge on sodium, it's a neutral atom. Number of neutrons would be atomic mass 23 minus the atomic number 11, which is 12. What if you have sodium plus? In this case, there is a charge of plus 1. We'll start with the number of protons. The number of protons will always stay the same for a given atom. It's still sodium, so sodium will have the same number of protons as the atomic number, which is 11. Now, the number of electrons. If you have 11 electrons, then they will cancel each other and the total charge would be 0. But in this case, we have one charge, one positive charge. We know that one proton, the charge on one proton, cancels the charge on one electron. Plus 1 and minus 1 makes a 0. If we need one positive charge, we will need one extra protons. So the number of protons has to be one more than the number of electrons so that the overall charge is plus 1. In this case, we have 11 protons, so we need one less electron, 10, so that the charge is plus 1. So the number of electrons is 10 in this case, and the number of neutrons is same as before, 13 minus 11, mass number minus the atomic number, which is 12. That's the idea. Now let's take one more example. What if you have lithium plus ion? Number of proton is same as the atomic number, which for an element will never change. Lithium, the atomic number is 3, so the number of protons is 3. Number of electrons, we need 1 plus charge. That means we should have 1 extra proton. That means we need 1 less electron. So 3 minus 1 is 2. The number of electrons is 2. And the number of neutron would be mass number 7 minus the atomic number 3, which is 4. Let's see F minus. We have atomic number as 9 and the atomic mass is 18. The number of proton is same as the atomic number, so it's 9. Number of electron, now the total charge is minus 1. That means there is 1 extra minus charge which comes from electron. So there is 1 extra electron as compared to the protons. So we have 9 plus 1, 10 electrons. And the number of neutrons would be mass number minus the atomic number, which is 9. It's that simple. I believe you have a good understanding on calculating the number of electrons, protons, and neutrons. If you understand this, can you try to find the number of protons, number of electrons, and number of neutrons for each of these atoms? Once you have them, write your answers in the comment below.